Hi, this is Steve, and welcome to another edition of the World of Global Equity Timing. Today we're going to be talking about how to put together a successful trade using the global equity timing tools. Let's get right to the chart and take a look. So what we have here is Axogen, and this is, to set the scene, a weekly chart. We're also displaying our filter composite, which is a composite of 15 different filters that we use within global equity timing. Additionally, we're showing ADA, our accumulation distribution alert oscillator, which measures accumulation and distribution underneath the surface of price action. It takes an X-ray vision as to what's really going on in the marketplace and helps us determine whether we should be buying or selling. Take a look at this chart. We're going to start on the left-hand side where we got a buy signal right in here. And as we look at that, we have a very unusual situation, and I've noted it on the chart. I said that the filter composite was at +9 before the breakout. Here's the breakout point over here. Now, it's not unusual if the filter composite accelerated to +6, 7, 8, or 9 up in here after price broke out, but in reality, the price had not broken out at the time of the buy signals right in here, and the filter composite was at +9. You'll notice that the filter composite goes through long periods of neutrality, negativity, lots of neutrality, and it's a rare situation for it to exceed the the threshold of +5. When it gets to +9, that is pretty powerful stuff, and it tells us that we're probably going to get a breakout beyond our resistance point or our breakout point right here, and that indeed did happen. Let's move forward in the chart and take a look at another great trade. There were several on this weekly chart. Off to the right, we got more buy signals. And what was so positive at this point was that we had ADA bullish for 50 weeks at the point of the buy signal. Now, if ADA is bullish for 35, 45, 50 weeks, we want to pay attention to that, and we expect the price is going to break out to the upside on a buy signal. Normally, as you've probably noticed from other videos, ADA fluctuates between positive green and negative red, positive green, negative red. But when it has a long run like this, as it did here, we want to be on the alert for an opportunity to buy. And of course, our ATOM, accumulation, distribution, momentum buy signals are what we key off of to get long. Another thing I liked about this chart was that global equity timing algorithms defined this as a trading range, and trading ranges are tight, price-restricted areas where price fluctuates and supply and demand are in relative balance. Once price breaks out of one of these trading ranges, either down or up, we expect to get some pretty dramatic action to either up or down, and in this case, we indeed did get dramatic action to the upside. We expected a breakout to the upside, and we did get a breakout to the upside. Why? Well, because of the bullish ADA at this point being so positive for so long. Notice that we went into a second trading range right in here, and again, global equity timing defined it as a trading range. And which way is it going to break out of that trading range? Well, ADA remained extremely bullish in through this entire time frame. This would be our primary clue that prices were going to go higher. Also, take a look at the fact that in this time frame that the filtered composite, which had backed off a bit during the trading range, zoomed back to being positive just before price broke out. Not as positive it has been back here, but still, nonetheless, it had improved enough to make us want to take the trade, in addition to the ADA being so powerfully positive. We got the buy signal just beyond the trading range. The price kind of just held this line area, which had been resistance, now became support. A great buy signal, and the stock went from 10 clear on up to 55 in a very short time. So I hope you enjoyed this edition of the World of Global Equity Timing. We reviewed in detail what we're looking for a successful trade, and it's one of the positive features of global equity timing is to help us determine whether to buy or whether to sell. Oh, before we leave, I have one more bonus item for you. Take a look to this right-hand side of the chart. Notice that now ADA has been bearish for 43 weeks and we're getting a sell signal. Don't know how this is going to turn out, but it's one that I would definitely take on the short side. Okay, now it's time to say good timing and good trading and good day. Take care. Bye.